Hello guys, good evening.
In my heyday, young men wrote to me. Everybody seems to have time to devote to me. Everyone I saw, also you know me. Once upon a song, main attraction couldn't buy me. The celebrities were dying to me. I've had every accolade bestowed on me, as do you see. If I never sing another song, it wouldn't bother me. Had my share of pain, you know my name. If I never sing another song or seek another vow, I would give mine, but I'm not sure how. Always posing, but you love it all. Truth you have learned and knew about it all. Everything I did, the world applauded. Once upon a star, presentation hung on every wall. Got a scrapbook full of gold. I can recall them all. The words as I feel, the words below it to see. If I never sing another song, it wouldn't bother me. I had my share of pain, you know my name. If I never sing another song or take another vow, I would give mine, but I'm sure not how. La 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 la. La 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 la. I would give mine, but I'm not sure.
Thank you so much for listening guys. Maraming salamat po.